a bit sketchy. All right.
Cheers.
Cheers. Where are we even going? Oh my gosh.
These sweet tracks never end. I want to say a bad word, but it's Sunday.
We went the wrong way. Crap. Do we need to call that guy from the bar? Tell him we need help?
What was his name?
Listen to the route. No, the wrong turn. Won't get there yet. Alright, I think we're on the right path. We're almost there. Good morning from the Bill Hall Trailhead. We're heading out on our epic adventure. It's how many degrees out here? 29? I think we're gonna be okay. We're a little nervous about the cold, but I think it's gonna be good. Nasty surprise number one. It's uphill to start. Got this, right? It's not over yet. Meanwhile, I came down with my pack on so gracefully, but no one got it on video. Uh-oh, it says we're off route.
Yeah.
Didn't we just see a cairn?
Oh. Well, yeah, it's probably just, it'll meet up with it.
I think we'll be fine. We've been walking along the Esplanade for a while. Mostly flat, but there's some pretty awesome rock formations along the way. A few potholes that, if it's rained or snowed recently, you might find a little bit of water in them. I'm not saying it's good water. I'm just saying it's water. It's wet. I think we have about a mile before it starts really dropping down into Surprise Valley. And we've passed a lot of campsites. There have been many places we could camp, but we're hoping to hold out for that money campsite. It's just really awesome with a great view. So we'll see if we find that. And that's where we'll drop our waters and our food for the last day. Giant tree we're gonna hang a rat sock in. Hide it. Hide it.
It's so hidden. Nobody
so
will
hidden.
ever see it.
No one's gonna steal that for sure.
Nobody's gonna ever see that.
This is for our last night when we're gonna be sleeping here on the Esplanade. I feel like that guy
Mice
was.
can kind of eat through plastic. What if they eat through that? Maybe we should put it
Eat
in
through what?
the plastic water bottle.
Are they gonna eat that?
They ate my plastic Barbies growing up. My mom told me when she put them in storage, that's what happened to them. I don't know.
I don't know. I feel like the plastic is gonna be okay. How's the pack feeling?
A lot better. Oh my gosh. I'm free!
Woo! Oh, I see the river! Oh, the river! That right there is what we just came down. Can you believe that?
We don't know where, but we did.
We don't know where, but somehow we got down from that level. So we just came down the red wall. Tons of switchbacks, so many switchbacks. But it feels so good down here. It's like 50-something degrees. We've stripped all our layers. Feeling pretty positive about tonight and not freezing our butts off, right?
Right.
Think we'll be good?
I think we'll be great.
I think I figured out the surprise in Surprise Valley. The surprise is there's nothing here. It's nothing. It's a whole lot of nothing. Check out this view behind us. This is right before you drop down to Thunder River Spring. It's like the best view ever, right? Ever. We just dropped our packs and we're heading over to check out the Thunder River Spring. Looks pretty amazing. Waterfall is in the middle of the Grand Canyon. I can't believe I'm here. This is so incredible. It doesn't stop. It just keeps going. This is impossible.
No.
I don't understand.
Coming from a rock.
How? How is this happening? Just a tiny bit sketchy.
I was gonna say that rock was sticking out a little far. Have a little bit of a pepper factor.
Looks like we're just about there. We're home. So here we are at our campsite at Upper Tapeats. It's really beautiful right by the creek. We saw about 3 campsites available. We were supposed to be in the group site, but there was a guided expedition that was using it, so we decided to let them have it, and we found a spot a little farther down, but you really can't go wrong because it's just beautiful everywhere down here. Here's the toilet at Upper Tapeats. At least you don't have to carry a wag bag, right? Plus you have a poop with a view. So we went down the right side of the creek and decided it was a little too sketchy. So we're going back a little bit. We're gonna try to cross close to where the bathrooms are, and hopefully the trail's a little better on the other side. All right, Kristen's decided this is the place to cross.
What do you think?
I don't know. I'm gonna watch you and see how it goes.
Oh my God!
Godspeed. She's loving it. That is going up to your thighs. I am not happy with that. No way. You got so wet.
But I'm not dead and my snack is bad.
Oh, crap.
Be careful, it's strong.
I'm gonna take my pants off.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know.
I'm here for you. I'm here for you to capture every moment. If Kristen can do it, anybody can do it.
Anybody with 2 knees can do it.
We're just trying to find the best spot to cross. We're gonna try this spot here, thinking maybe it'll be a little bit better.
Be careful. Oh my God, you broke the tree. What am I gonna hold on to?
All right, this is our jungle crossing. We're only doing it to try not to go into our thighs. Ah! Oh, you're good, you're good. You're good. Ah!
Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secret stars.
We are in the canyon.
So slow. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't.
We hike so we can eat lunch in cool places. That's the canyon we just hiked out of. So if you're camping at Lower Tapeats, this is what you've got here. It's mostly sand, rocks, bushes, a few trees next to the river, but an awesome view of the river. We're up here now. And down on the river. If you're afraid of heights, this is probably not going to be the hike for you. We're hiking on cliffs a lot. The footing is, you know, pretty good, decent. There's some sketchy spots, but anybody who isn't comfortable with drop-offs just can stop watching right now. See what I'm talking about? There's the cairns leading right to the edge, right to a cliff. I guess that's the way we go. What the heck? No. Are you kidding me? Oh, okay. This looks fun. Yeah. That was a little sketchy. There's a tree root to hold on to. Other than that, you're just kind of trying not to lose control. Extreme backpacking. So which was better, this or the river crossing?
The river crossing times 15. That's like all of my worst nightmares put into one.
Here we are at what I'm gonna call Decision Beach. This is where you have to decide if you're gonna take the high trail or the low trail. We read up a lot on both of them, but we're gonna go with the ranger suggestion of the upper route. She said there's less exposure, less sketchy spots, so we'll let you know. I'm getting you in your element. Remember those people who stole our campsite last night? Yeah, we just passed them. So now we have to just stay ahead so we can snag the best one tonight. Whew. We're feeling pretty badass because they left like an hour and a half before us. Heck yeah! Woo! Yes, 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 yes. Woo! Oh, we're feeling good now.
Get your ass up here.
She's really a nice friend.
Get you some of this.
Oh my gosh, that looks so awesome down there. All right, here we are at our Deer Creek campsite. We're thinking the L means large group campsite, which is ours, so we staked it out and hopefully they won't try to take our spot again. All right, we set up our campsite. We got the large site because we're the fastest hikers.
We're the winners. The champions.
So we ran into some rafters who had Kristen's Lucy light that she lost partway through the hike yesterday. And they're leaving us some drinks. So we're headed over to pick up our cold drinks. Just a tiny bit sketchy. Just a tiny bit. Wait, are you saying that our drinks are way down there?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh crap.
And I'm saying you only have 30 minutes left of
Oh
sunlight.
crap. Yeah, but we have this view. It's amazing. Okay, well, I mean, isn't the waterfall down there? So don't we kind of have to?
We do have to, whether we do it now or tomorrow morning is another story.
Kristen is not happy that we're going down. This is what we have to do for our drink. Aww. Aww, they even drew a little heart for us. How cute! Thank you! Woo! All right.
Cheers.
Cheers. That's the best thing I've had all day.
That is super good. That hits the spot.
We're going uphill again. So it begins.
Yeah. Yeah, up-ish.
We are heading back towards Surprise Valley. We followed Deer Creek for a little bit, but pretty soon we turned away. And now we're heading
I heard them in a corn maze.
to the mountain. Dang it! We're not at the top. Where are we even going?
I'm living my best life back
Oh my gosh. What the heck is this trail?
Don't worry about me. Holy crap.
Wait, I mean, we have to get back into badass form. I mean, this is awesome.
Yeah, this is.
I didn't know it was gonna be so easy.
So, yeah, the trail is so well marked.
We love
and-
boulder fields. That's our specialty.
Yeah, with heavy packs, perfect. That's what we live for.
Okay, I don't know where we're headed. We're headed somewhere.
Up still.
Up. We're headed up
That's
for sure.
the direction.
So last month when we were gonna do this, the ranger suggested maybe we should go straight from Tapeats over to Deer Creek without doing the river route.
Yeah.
We would have had to come down this stupid thing.
Yeah. Moral of the story, you can't trust the rangers.
Now she's going for her mommy. Do another boulder field. The party never ends. All right, I think we've hit the top of that pass. Thank goodness. The boulders, the sketchy cliffs. Yeah, that was something. That was something. But it's all in the name of adventure. So we're back in Surprise Valley. And I said, the first tree I find, we're gonna have lunch. It's the best I could do. We can do it. How are we gonna get up there? That looks impossible. Alright, we're looking at our climb out up to the Esplanade. Definitely blocked out most of this. Starting to remember all those switchbacks coming up. Look how close we are.
Close. It's right there. Like, taste it.
It's been a climb. It's been quite a climb. But I think we're about to top out here. I think we're just about done. Woohoo! Are you there? Are we here? Did we make it? Did we make it? Did we make it? Woo! Bad news. That was a false summit. Ah! Okay, so we've got some real partying to do up here. Dang it. She wasted all that energy on a celebration dance, but you're gonna have to dig deep. Find some more, because we're about to finish this up for reals. Day 4, we're heading out. We spent a beautiful night on the Esplanade. I have to say, I think that's the best campsite. You just got to go right over to where the trail drops in to Surprise Valley. Tons of places. That's where most people camp. Super nice to watch the sunset and the sunrise. Oh man, we still have a climb.
Which,
Oh.
do we go up there or up there?
I don't know, but it's up high. It's up high. This is a slog.
I'm hot.
These switchbacks never end. I'm convinced. I want to say a bad word, but it's Sunday. Kristen's offering to do it for me. We're gonna have a group scream. On the count of 3.
If I had the air left.
1, 2, 3. Ah! I'm not even at the white wall yet. Oh. I think I spotted the vehicle. Oh, still so far to go. We aren't done yet. This trail's a heartbreaker. Oh my gosh. I think we're at the top. I think we're at the top. Please be the top. Please be the top. Oh. Woo-hoo! No way! Yeah, way! Yes, way! Woo! We made it! Bill Hall,
Yes.
I don't know who you are, but you're a freaking psycho.
Weirdo.
That trail was so steep, but here we are on the rim, almost to the car. All right.
Clothes are up. And that's a wrap.
And that's a wrap. Time to get some food. Okay, Kristen, I'm getting the trash out.
From, what bag is that? Utah? Alaska?
I'm throwing it away right away this time. I accidentally carried all the trash from the Zion trip all the way through the Grand Canyon.
1, 2, 3. That worked in my head better than it actually was executed.
Come on, show me your wings. Oh, there we go.
That was bird talk for start flying, buddy.
Yeah. Caca! we know? Oh, it worked!
I know, I'm telling you.
You speak bird. You totally speak bird. Come on, bird. Oh! No way. You're the bird whisperer.
Rock is right behind us.
Hey, who put that there?
Who did that?
Was that God? I don't think so.